Okay, we're going to do this little sound audio test thing here. I don't know how it's going to do. Probably not worth a flip for nothing. But, yeah, we're going to try it. Good. Oh! Seen leaving her bowls and toys around. Always something. That dog's into something all the time. Yeah, roll on over there. Now we're just testing out the audio. See how this is going to sound or what. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the pocket test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We go across the creek over here. See how this does. May not do worth a flip for nothing. There ain't but one way to find out, and that's to do it. Alright, we're a long way away from it now. Like 50, 75 foot. I don't know if you can even still see me down here. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. Down here checking out stuff. Okay, well, I guess that's a good enough test. Take it out of my pocket. Yeah, drop it on the ground. Back up here. Now, see if I can get back over there. Way off over here. Over here. Alright. Out behind the bushes. Oh. Back up through here. Alright, we back. Laters.